What's up, everybody? This is Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois, bringing you this new arrival 1969 Chevrolet Camaro LS 5.3 swap. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on it. First off, you hear that cold air intake? That's what's making all the noise. The car runs really, really good. It's got headers, nice cam. Here's your fuel pressure. Nice cowl hood. Orange in color. Let's give it a rev so you can hear it. As you can hear, it runs really, really nice. Really nice. What a nice looking car. I'm actually gonna run through what works for you before I do that. I'm gonna show you how to start this car too. So you turn the key on, wait for the fuel pump to prime. As you see, it's got a pretty big cam. No heat, nothing. Inoperable. Horn inoperable. Radio does have an Alpine aftermarket radio. It is not powering up at this time. Your wipers, they do work. Let's turn on your blinkers. Try your right side. The right side works. Left side. Let's try the right front. As you can see, the headlights work. That works as well. So that's what works and what does not work. Now let's get into the specifics. So first off, 17-inch US mags wheels. I believe these are 17. Yep, 17-inch. 4-wheel disc brakes. 5.3 LS engine, which runs great. Engine bay, it's okay. It was redone at one point. It's pretty clean for the most part. Got these custom struts here. Pretty big radiator. It's got a glass tech. I want to say this is a 4-inch or 5-inch cowl hood. Fits pretty good for a glass tech hood. Very, very good. Look at that black paint. Orange with the black stripes. Vinyl top. US mags in the back, 17-inch. Drum brake or disc brakes, 4-wheel. Let's go ahead and open the trunk. Trunk really, really clean back here. Does look like quarters were put on this car at one point. Paint's probably about a 7 out of 10. Interior, 7.5 out of 10. Couple flaws in the seat here. I think that's about it. Just a rip there that they covered up. Other than that, really, really clean. Not many flaws in the interior. Horseshoe shifter with the overdrive. Your speedo reads 254 or 25,000. No, what is that? 92,000 miles. Okay, couldn't see it because of the needle there. This car runs great and drives great. Perfect highway cruiser. Bring it to anywhere. New engine, starts right up every time. If you are interested in this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, give us a call, 847-848-1850. It's located at our warehouse, MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. We're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. We offer special financing with great monthly payments, shipping all over the United States, open and closed, bonded and insured. We have a full service center for anything that needs to be addressed, but our cars are sold as is unless otherwise stated. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope to see you soon. Give us a call, like I said, 847-848-1850, mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. And remember, folks, this car sure looks good here, but look a whole lot better in your garage. Bye-bye. See you soon. Mr. Jenkins out.